Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture, we have completed the designing part of the user authentication system. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the developing part. So to create and validate any form in the React.js functional components, we can use hooks concept. So first I will create hooks with the variables username and password. Const, in the square brackets, we have to create the variable and the function which is used to change that variable. So first I will write the variable as username and I will write the function as set username. And we have to initialize it with useState method. useState, initially the value is empty. In the similar way, we have to create it for the password also. Const password and set password equal to useState. This is also empty string. Now we have to use these two variables in the input field values. So after the class name, I will write the value equal to username. After writing the value, we have to write the onChange method for these input fields. OnChange. For every onChange method, we have to update the input field value with the help of arrow functions. So this arrow function will take the parameter as event. So here I will write the event as the parameter in the arrow function. So I will press Ctrl Enter, it will come down. Here you can see in the arrow function E is the event. Now we have to update the username value by using the set username method. Set username. We will get the username value with the help of this event. Event.e.target.value. In the similar way, we have to write these two password also. First I will initialize it with value equal to password, and in the bottom I will write the onChange method for this password. OnChange is equal to, in this I will write the arrow function which accepts the event as a parameter, and I will update the password input field with the help of set password method. Set password e.target.value. Now we have to write the onSubmit event for this form. Whenever you click the submit button, the onSubmit event will occur. We have to write the onSubmit event for the form. OnSubmit, in this I will write the function as validate. We have to validate the form to check whether the input field and password field values are correct or not. I will create one function here with the name validate. Function validate. First we have to receive these input values. So I will create two strings. So without strings also we can directly create it. First I will write if statement because we have to check this username and password. So I will write the username as JavaScript and the password as Udemy. So if username equal to JavaScript and password equal to I will write React, not Udemy, I will write React. Username is equal to JavaScript and password is equal to React, then our authentication is successful. We will print one alert method with the message login successful, else the login is failed. Else alert login is failed. That's it, our program is completed. Now let's go back to Google Chrome and we will verify it by entering the values. Here you can see this is the output. First I will enter the valid inputs. Username is JavaScript and the valid password is React. Now I will click the submit button. It should show the alert with the message login is successful. Here you can see we got the alert with the message login is successful. So if you enter any incorrect values, it will show the error So I will enter some incorrect values. JavaScript, I will write the password as Python. Now I will click the submit button. Here you can see we got the error, login is failed. So if you observe the actual page, while clicking the login button, we are getting the pop-up. So here if I click the login button, we are getting the pop-up with the message with one symbol also. So to get this in our developing project, we have to import one library that is called Sweet Alert. So I will show you how to import this message. So it will be very helpful while developing the actual projects. Instead of showing alert, we have to show the dialogues. So if I enter the correct inputs also, it will show the tick mark which indicates the correct login. So I will click this login button. Here you can see it will show the tick mark and it will show the message login successful. Now we have to apply these effects in our developing project. So first we have to import the Sweet Alert library in this project, developing project. Now I will show you how to import this Sweet Alert function in our project. First we have to open command prompt. Now I will open command prompt in the Visual Studio Code. So press Ctrl C here, it will terminate the job. Now we have to install the npm install Sweet Alert. So Sweet Alert is the external library. That's why we have to write the command npm install sweet alert. This is the library which is used for the dialog pop-ups. Press enter. It will start installing Sweet Alert in these authentication projects. Here you can see the Sweet Alert library is installed successfully. Now we have to run it once again. So every time you install any external library, we have to restart the React application. npm start. The application restarted successfully. So as of now, we have installed npm Sweet Alert in our application. After installing, we have to import that in the component. So I want to import that component in the login.js only. So I will write import sval. Sval stands for Sweet Alert. Sval from, in the single colons, you have to write the sval. That's it. Sorry, in the single colons, you have to write the Sweet Alert. You have to write the full name, Sweet Alert. And press Ctrl S. Here you can see there is no error. Now we have to use this sval method, means Sweet Alert method in the application. So instead of showing alert, we will show the dialog with the help of Sweet Alert. So I will remove this alert method and I will write SWAL. In this sval, we have to write the message. So I will write the message login successful. In the incorrect method, I will write sval invalid login details. Now let's check it whether the Sweet Alert is coming or not. First we will give the valid inputs. So here the valid inputs are JavaScript and React. Here you can see there is no Sweet Alert. Again the alert pop-up is came. Press this OK. This is because here in the form we have not written the event.prevent default method. So if you are not writing event.prevent default method, the form will refresh once you submit the button. So it will not execute the methods inside the if statement or else statement. That's why we have to write the event.prevent default whenever you are working with form. So here I will accept the event as the parameter in the validate function. I will write the event.prevent default. If you write this method, the form will not refresh the entire page. So that's why we need to write the event.prevent default for every time. So whenever you are submitting form to the browser, then you need to accept the event of the event to the parameter. Now we have to use that event and write the event.prevent default function. Now we will check it. I will give the valid inputs, JavaScript, and I will write the password as React. Now I will click the submit button. Here you can see we got the pop-up with the message login successful. So like this way we can get the Sweet Alert pop-ups in the React application. If you want to get the symbol also, you can get it. I will show you how to. So instead of writing the message, you have to write the symbol also. So after the login successful, you have to write the any message. So I will write the message as congratulations. Congratulations, your login is successful. And the third parameter is symbol. So you have to write the symbol name, which symbol you should want. So I want the success symbol because I am writing these in login successful method. So I will write success symbol. So in invalid case, we have to write the message. Please check once again. Please check your details once more, and I will show the symbol error symbol, means into symbol. Now we will see whether the symbols are working or not. First I will write the invalid inputs, JavaScript, and password as React. I'll click the submit button. Here you can see we got the symbol and we got the title and we also got the message. So in case of invalid, it will show the into mark. So here I have written the invalid password. Now I will click the submit button. Here you can see we got the error, invalid login details. Please check your details once more. So if you observe this val method, here we are given 3 parameters. First parameter is title, second parameter is message, and third parameter is symbol. So in case of success method, we have to write the success title and success message and the success symbol. In case of invalid or wrong methods, we have to write the negative statements like invalid login details or please check your details or recheck your details, something like that. And we have to show the error symbol. Like this way, we can implement the user authentication system in React.js with the help of functional components and hooks. Thank you.